So what are different type of exceptions in Java and how are they handled differently? It may sound like a very basic or elementary question, but it has some intricacies as well. So the candidate will answer this question by stating checked exception and unchecked exceptions, or you can say runtime exceptions and compile time exceptions. But when we get to the second part of this question, which is how are they handled differently, this is where the candidate gets stuck. Generally, the candidates say that we will handle them by placing a catch block or declaring them in the throws clause. You can cross question the candidate by asking, have you ever seen in your code catching a null pointer exception or declaring a null pointer exception in the throws clause? The answer to this point is that exceptions like array index out of bound exception or null pointer exceptions are runtime exceptions. Correct way of handling runtime or checked exceptions is by placing appropriate checks in the code. We avoid null pointer exceptions by placing null checks, and we avoid array index out of bound exception by placing len checks